Hello and welcome to another walk around video. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2006 Nissan Xterra. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in silver. Under the hood you'll find yourself a 4-liter V6 riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your front tow hook, roof rails, and that side step in the back for easy roof access. Now why don't we hop inside and see what else this Xterra has to offer. Helping us inside, we got a key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. Right there on the bottom of the door, you do have some storage as well as a little cup holder. Above that, you have your power windows and locks. More black cloth seating with your manual adjusters. And lastly, right there you do have your power mirrors. So now we're going to hop inside and start the vehicle up. Let's see here. Taking a look on the right side of the steering wheel, you do have cruise control settings, of course. And this Xterra does have 147,158 kilometers on it. Moving to our radio cluster right here, you do have your basic numbers, of course. Power, volume. Down to your climate control settings. Nice thick dials. Heat function, of course. You also have your AC and your rear windshield defroster. Below that you have your drivetrain options selector and two 12-volt outlets, some storage space. Here you got your two cup holders and your center console with plenty of space. Moving on to the glove box, just going to press that button. Nice and simple, there's plenty of space, and it does also open up top. You got a nice little shelf here. Now we're just going to close that up. So before we hop into cargo, we're just going to take a quick look in the back. We have more of the black cloth seating. And these seats do fold down. You have this little tab here. The bottom part will go up like that. And then you have this other tab here. And that'll go down just like that. Before we hop in the back of our Xterra, just a few things to show. On top, we do have those roof rails, as well as the crossbars, rear windshield washer, as well as that wiper blade, and we also have this nice little convenient side step. So to open up, you're just going to pull this handle right here. There's plenty of space back here. We do have the 60/40 splitting seats. They do fold down in case you need that extra room. We got some nice storage compartments on the right and left, and right underneath here you just pull that tab. You have some extra storage space underneath here also. Just gonna close that up. We have this nice little handle here, so to close up, just push that nice and light. Taking a last look at a 2006 Nissan Xterra. Once again, some of your great interior features include your leather seats, your drivetrain selector, and that rear foldable seating. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on a corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.